Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick unboxing video on the Swagtron SG8 Kids and Teens scooter right here. It's a little electric scooter. It looks really cool. Let's get to the video. Let's check it out. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. There's also a link in the description where you can find this item. Alright, so just a quick look at the box design here. Almost looks like a lion's face you've got going on here. I've ordered the orange version of the kids scooter, so the box isn't quite as fancy as the adult version. It says the future is swag. This is the adjustable and folding scooter. Very cool. Looks like the box is beaten up in shipping, so I'll be curious to check out the condition, make sure the scooter and everything's okay. Unboxing the electric Swagtron scooter for kids and teens. Here we go. This is a good looking scooter, you guys. Got this baby packaged up real nice. Also do a quick setup on this video. So check that out. You can see that. You got the handles right in the top of the box here. So we're going to pull those out. There's your handles right there. Lift off the scooter. Looks like your instruction booklet. That's everything that was in the box. Let's put this bad boy together. So you've got your handles right here. Packaged really nicely. That's your electric adapter or charger right there. And you got your awesome looking scooter. Like, this thing looks really nice. I love the colors. Love the black and the orange. Almost like a bumblebee color looking thing. Got an 8-year-old that doesn't know she's getting this yet, so she's gonna love this thing. Alright, here's a much closer look at everything that was in the box. So you got your charger, you've got your handlebars, and you've got your instruction booklet for the Swagger 8 folding electric scooter. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. Let's get a really good look at that. I love the colors on this thing, and the paint looks really good. Little reflector on the back there. And it's got a little LED panel, believe it or not, on the top of the scooter there. So let's put it together. So as far as assembly goes, these handles are identical and they are interchangeable. So they just screw into the top part here. Just take them and just start threading these babies right in. So right handle's going on, and then you just rinse and repeat for your left-sided handle. And you just want to get them nice and tight so they don't come loose. These are nice heavy duty handles as well. There we go. Next up is we want to release the bracket to set the scooter upright. We'll bracket right here. Just release that lever. And there's our scooter upright. And when we turn it around here, you'll notice it's actually got a kickstand. We can drop down. Nice little feature. You back it up here a little bit for you. There is the scooter fully assembled, kickstand up, and scooter's in the upright position, handlebars are on. Alright, we definitely need a closer look at this scooter, so check out that pattern on the scooter. So this is the orange Swagtron electric scooter for kids and teens. Quick look at the instructions. They are very straightforward, easy to understand there. It takes about 3 hours to charge this up from 0 to 100%. The scooter does come with 3 speeds. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn the scooter on, take a look at the little LED here. Let's check it out. Comes up, says hello. Here's your little battery meter right there. Actually gives you a mile/hour gauge right there. Gives you an odometer, very cool. And right now we're on, it looks like speed level 3, which is really a neat feature. So you've got your brake here, you've got your speed right here. Tells you how fast you're gonna go. There's your speed change right there. So there's 2. There's speed 1. 2, 3. So up higher, down lower. Looks like it's got like a built-in timer there. So just playing around with this some more, it actually has a distance meter, an odometer. It's got a timer built into it, and then it tells you RPMs as well, which is really cool. It tells you how many RPMs apparently this thing's cranking out. So we're on the lowest setting, 5 miles an hour. Setting 2, 10 miles an hour. Setting 3, 15 miles an hour. Look at that. Very cool. And then of course, don't forget your important brake. Just shuts it off automatically. And you've got your height adjustment, which is ever so important for your kids that are growing. Right there. And it actually goes up even higher than that. If you look down here, you've got an adjustment. You can push that in, raise it up another, actually 2 more notches. You can raise that up quite a lot more. So it's got an adjustment there, and then it's got an adjustment up here. So you can raise that up quite high. And besides this front brake, you also do have a rear brake right down here. For charging the scooter up, you've got a port right here for charging. Pop that open, plug in your charger that is included. And just plug it into a wall jack. So when the light turns green on the charger, you're all ready to go out and try out your new Swagtron electric folding scooter. Currently, the scooter is running about $199.99. There's a link in the description where you can find it. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. Please be sure and like and subscribe so that you can check out the full-on review on this scooter coming up. It's the Swagtron SG8 folding electric scooter for kids and teens. Be sure and check out the link in the description where you can find one of these for yourself. And I'll catch you guys later.